In this video, I'll be displaying the number of digits from a given integer input using if-else. So here I have taken a variable a and assigned it a value int input enter a number. Here int function is used to convert the input into an integer. So whatever we have entered will be converted to an integer, and if it cannot be converted to an integer, it will be displaying it as an error. And the input function, as you know, it is used to get the input from the user. And here I am using the if. So the condition is given as len of str of a less than equal to 10. Here the len function returns the number of items in an object. In this case, the len function will returns the number of characters in the string. Here the str represents string function and a is the variable into which we have given the input. So whatever be the input, our integer input will be converted into a string. So str function is used to convert our input into a string. So here we have given an integer number and we will get the string representation of the number. And here len function will give the number of characters in that string. And in this here less than or equal to is a comparison operator, and here if our input is less than or equal to 10 digits, then it will go on to this body, print the number of digits in the number, that is len of str of a. A is the variable and it's inside the str function, and that's inside the len function. So here if I have assigned a value, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it is having 6 digits. So it will be automatically converted into a string using the str function, and therefore the len function will read the number of characters in that string. So it will be 6 characters. So that is less than 10. So which is true. Therefore it will go to the body and print the number of digits in the number as length of the string, that is 6. And if I have given a value which is having greater than 10 digits, then the if condition will read it as a string with more than 10 characters. So this condition will be false, and therefore it will goes to the else part, and it will print the else part's body, that is print the number is too large. So let us check using an example. Here I am going to give an input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Now there are 10 characters or 10 digits. So here if I have given click on to the enter, it returns the number of digits in the number is 10. That is because there are 10 digits, and this 10 digits number or integer is converted into a string, and therefore the len function will read the number of characters, that is 10 characters in that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Therefore there are 10 characters in that string, and that is equal to 10. So it prints the body, the number of digits in the number, len of str of a, that is 10. Now let's give another example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0. Now here there is 11 digits. something happened with the kernel, so let's restart the kernel. Yes, now I am going to assign the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0. So there is 11 digits. The number is too large. That is because the 11 digits will be converted into a string, and therefore there are 11 characters, which is greater than 10 characters. So here, this portion, this if condition is false, and therefore it will goes to the else part, where it will print the else part's body, print the number is too large. Thank you.